2010 Ford Escape. I'm doing an oil change on it. This is the oil pan here, 14 mm of bolt. Right here. Just break that loose and let it drain. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the oil filter. The oil is draining right now. It's finished draining, I think. This is a filter right here, using an oil filter wrench, and just take it out here. Okay, so the oil is finished draining. You want to wipe it off and just put the drain bolt back. Make it nice and snug, and check the washer on it also. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the filter now. Okay, so I'm gonna put the oil filter back, and I fill the filter with oil and lubricate the gasket. And you want to hand tighten this. Okay, so I'm gonna put the oil filter back, and I fill the filter with oil and lubricate the gasket. And you want to hand tighten this. I'm gonna add the oil now. It takes 4.5 quarts. I'm using 520. Pennzoil 520, fully synthetic. Okay, you want it to run for a couple of minutes, then check the oil. This is the dipstick right here. Also check for leaks at the bottom. Check the dipstick. As you can see here, it's right between. Gotta be between those lines. And this one is okay. And that's it. It's easy to change your oil, and you gotta reset the oil light also. As you see the oil light, you gotta reset the oil light also, the sensor on the side here. It says setup, you hit setup. See, it says, and then setup, press reset to clear, and then you press reset right next to it.
Chacho, what are you doing?
And then it's gonna clear it. Okay, you press setup again. Oil life is 0%, and it says to hold reset. And oil life is 100% now. And that's it. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, share this video, subscribe. 2010 Ford Escape. Thanks for watching.